What's up, guys? So we're going over today how do you use the actual platform, and it's pretty simple, but I definitely want to break it down just in case you have any questions. So your screen might look a little bit different from mine because I'm the admin of the group, but right here you got community right here, and this is where you can type in today's workout was. That's your title, and then you would put down what you want to put about that. A cool thing here is you can go ahead and you can upload videos or PDFs if you had some. You can send a link to something. You can, of course, do videos right here. You can even do a poll like, hey, who else is doing this program, or what questions did you have, such and such. And once you do that, you don't have to do any of this. You'll go down here and you'll click let's chat, and then you'll just post it in the group. So that's the community part. This is the best part in my eyes, because it allows you to talk to other people and us to build the community. Now, the classroom part is the cool part. This is the part where you see your monthly workouts. These are free nutrition tips and tricks. This is customized nutrition. I do work with a certified nutritionist who does amazing work. That's there. Discipleship training. This is for people who I feel they have already started their path of learning God's word, want to go a little deeper. I probably will keep adding more stuff to this monthly. This is if you wanted to book a session with me to go over whatever you wanted to go over. This is a Zoom call that you can click there and you can purchase it. And this is a 6 month transformation for somebody who's really, really serious. That's a good one. And then here will be like all the recorded Zoom calls that we do. Like we do our team huddles on Wednesday mornings at 6:15 a.m. to 6:45 a.m. So you're done before the world gets up, and you can replay those as you may. Now, let's say I was going into the monthly workouts. On my side, it looks different because I designed it, but you'll be able to choose between which type of workout you want to do for that month. We're designing them into 8 weeks because we want to see people get massive results and not change so quickly. You can just go here, you can click, and you can see the workouts. If I was doing the kettlebells one, that's a cool one right there. You see all of that there. And each month you'll see more and more added so that you don't get bored. You get lots of results. The calendar is the one where instead of having a Zoom link come out now, you can just click inside of the calendar and it will open up the link for you. Members is where you get to see the members of the group. You get to see what they do if you would like. You get to see where they're coming from in the world, right? Pretty soon we're going to have some international people. Leaderboards, this is pretty cool. You get to see who's contributing to the actual team, so to say. And we'll be giving out prizes for stuff like that, and just your about me section. So that's really it. Any questions, feel free to ask me, and let's get it.